Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to copy and paste in Windows 11. And you can do this on two ways. The first way is with text, and that is always in two options. Please hold your left mouse and drag over the text, then leave it, then do Ctrl+C. And right now, if you click somewhere underneath this text by doing Enter, and we do Ctrl+V, you can paste your text just right here. Or you can drag again over the text with your left mouse, then do right mouse, then do copy, then we do Enter, right mouse click, and we do paste. So this is how you can copy and paste just with text. If you go to a File Explorer right now, and we want to copy a picture, what you then can do is exactly the same. Click on the picture, do Ctrl+C, go to desktop, do right here Ctrl+V, and right now, if you can see, we copy this picture and paste it just right here. This works for every single file. But right now, if you go back and we click on this thumbnail and we do right mouse click, and we do from here copy, go to desktop, right mouse click, paste, you can do this also on the second way. So this is exactly how you can copy and paste on Windows 11. Hopefully this video helped you out. Then for now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.